Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a new paper that introduces BLIP30-NEXT, a powerful open-source AI that's pushing the frontier of image generation. It's designed to be amazing at both creating images from scratch from a text prompt and editing existing images based on instructions. So, how does it work? The secret is a two-part architecture called Autoregressive plus Diffusion. Think of it like this. The first part, the autoregressive model, is the brain that understands the prompt and creates a rough plan or blueprint for the image. Then, the second part, the diffusion model, acts as the artist's hand, taking that blueprint and rendering all the fine-grained, photorealistic details. But what really makes this model special is how it learns. The researchers used a technique called reinforcement learning, or RL, to make the AI better at following complex instructions. Essentially, the model generates images, gets a reward score based on how well it followed the prompt, and then adjusts itself to get a better score next time. You can see the dramatic improvement here, where before training, it struggled to combine a teapot, a skateboard, and a goldfish. But after reinforcement learning, it nails the composition. This learning method is also incredibly effective for getting AI to render text correctly, which has always been a huge challenge. Look at these signs. Before RL training, the text is gibberish. After training, it's perfectly readable, creating exactly what the prompt asked for. The paper also tackles the difficult task of image editing. A major problem in AI editing is consistency, making a change without altering the rest of the image. To solve this, the researchers found a clever way to feed the model low-level details from the original image. This acts like a cheat sheet, constantly reminding the AI what the non-edited parts should look like. The results are clear. Without this technique, changing the background from a waterfall to snow also changes the helicopter. But with it, the helicopter stays consistent while the background is perfectly edited. This also works for adding new objects, like placing a canoe in this river scene. So, how does it compare to other top models? In benchmarks for generating images based on complex prompts, BLIP30-NEXT achieves a new state-of-the-art score, outperforming other well-known models. And in the more challenging image editing benchmarks, their relatively small 3 billion parameter model holds its own, achieving performance comparable to much larger models. So, let's recap the big takeaways. BLIP30-NEXT introduces a powerful and efficient two-part architecture that combines high-level reasoning with detailed image rendering. It shows that reinforcement learning is a key to unlocking an AI's ability to follow complex instructions and render text accurately. And it presents a smart solution for making AI image editing much more consistent and reliable. Models like this are the next step towards more controllable, powerful, and useful creative tools that can better understand exactly what we want to create.